Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher. Let's get you exam ready. Today we're thinking about Mary Shelley's Frankenstein with my guide and summary to chapter 7 and 8 from volume 2. Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel to help you understand each of the chapters and learn the novel back to front. Okay, my guide and summary to chapter 7 and 8 from volume 2. In front of you now, you've got the comic strip that I've made to support us to understand what takes place in chapter 7 and 8. We've got chapter 7 from volume 2 along the top and chapter 8 below. I'm going to walk you through this comic strip now. At the beginning of chapter 7, the monster recalls having found some books in the woods and spending time reading classic literature. His reading of Paradise Lost makes him think of his place in the world and his difference to others. This rejection by Frankenstein also makes him relate to the character of Satan. He then finds some papers in his pockets in the clothes taken from Frankenstein when he came to be created, and he reads the notes that were written by Frankenstein. He learns of his creation, but also of Frankenstein's disgust. Now, after autumn passes, the monster, now a year since his being created, decides to introduce himself to De Lacy, the blind father, knowing that his appearance won't startle him. Now, the old man is accepting and welcoming, but when the others arrive, Agatha faints, Safi flees, and that leaves Felix to attack the monster in defence of his father, who then departs. Now, at the beginning of chapter 8, after having fled to the woods, the monster comes to the conclusion that he should return to the cottagers. Now, on returning, Felix is in conversation with the owner of the cottage that they are renting, and we learn that they are leaving in fear of the monster. And that's the last time that the monster sees those that he wanted to be companions with. The monster begins to make his way to Geneva in search of Frankenstein, and he's filled with anger and bitterness at this point. On the way there, he saves a woman from drowning after she falls into a river, and he's then shot by a man whilst he's trying to revive her, filling him with further rage. Now, at the end of chapter 8, the monster tells of his discovery of William, who was repulsed. After murdering William, after discovering that he was a Frankenstein, the monster did indeed frame Justine, and after sharing this story, the monster makes his demand. He wants Frankenstein to create a companion for him. And those are the key moments that take place in Volume 2, Chapter 7 and Chapter 8. Now, if you want to take it further, all you need to do is click the link in the description and you will get yourself a copy of my comic strip, and you'll also get a knowledge organiser so that you can summarise each of these key moments so that you can recall and revise the text. Okay, check out the other videos on my channel. I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask something you'd like to see me cover in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and keep revising.